Hi guys, Mr. Fix-It here today with another pro tip for you. Today we've got the sprayer. And as you can see, this guy is having some problems. Pump it up and down, maybe get some water coming out. This is almost always caused by the valve bottom of the air cylinder. And to change it, you take this out. And the valve usually goes to the bottom of the air cylinder right here. A leak like the one you just saw is caused by one of two things. Either this valve has popped out or it's warped or damaged. To replace it, all you gotta do is get your valve, pop the nubbin here, right back into the big hole there. Press it in nice and firm. There you are. If you have lost this valve or it is damaged, contact us and we'll help you get a replacement. When you contact us, please make sure you let us know if you need the silicone valve or if you need the Viton valve for oil-based products. Once you got that valve replaced, put her back together, give her a few pumps. There you are. Mr. Fixer with your pro tip today. Remember to subscribe and follow us for additional pro tips and other videos. Stay cool.